G37 sedan. Let's see what's up. Oh yeah, he's coming for me, bro. He's coming for me. Look at him. He wants to rock, bro. Huh? On GoPro? Yeah, yeah. That thing's quick, bro. Hop in here. It lost pressure, bro?
I'm pressing the gas. I missed gear. I went in neutral. I was like, oh, whatever.
Is it a G37?
Yeah, it's a 6-piece.
Bro, so hopefully, let's pray for this dude's car. I guess it lost pressure, and yeah, we'll see what happens. But we're out here on this interstate. What's your name? I didn't even get your name.
Oh, my name is Jay, man.
Steve, nice to meet you, bro. Hopefully, we get this dude's car towed. You got insurance, you said,
Yeah,
right?
I'll be straight. I'm from here. So. If anything, I'll just call one of my friends.
Sure, yeah, because I'm about to hit the gym, yo.
Yeah, you good, man.
I don't want to leave you stranded, yo. Good meeting you, bro, for real.